Hello, my name is John and welcome to our flags world. The flags are international signals used by ships at sea to spell out short messages. Today I will tell you about the first flag, Delta. In 1867 it was a blue pennant with a white ball in the center, and it was a negative flag. Today it's a square flag, yellow-blue, yellow horizontal. The D flag or Delta has a clear international meaning. I'm maneuvering with difficulty. Keep clear. Did you know that there are cases when Delta flag is used together with Charlie flag? This combination means I require immediate assistance. That's all for now. See you later. Bye.